Hi, it's Scott Carlson with BRIX Real Estate, your local Twin Cities real estate agent. So, you're thinking about selling your home and you're wondering, should I do repairs before I list? Should I just, list my home? What's the best strategy? Well, let's talk about that. Now, it's going to depend on what your outcome, what you're trying to do. If you're just trying to, you know, get the home sold and move on, and you don't really have the time, money, or energy to spend on repairs, updates, all that stuff, then I would skip this list and just talk with a real estate agent and get your home listed. But if you have the time, energy, and money, or at least, one to two of those things, I would take the time to actually go through and do repairs, do updates, because it's really going to help maximize how much money you're able to get when you sell your home. So, one of the first things that you want to take a look at when you're starting to look through your home and decide, okay, what repairs do I need to do? Well, a big one is painting. And a lot of times people think, oh, well, I love, these vibrant colors in this home. I know the next person will. I don't think I should paint. Well, you're better off going with more neutral colors because you want to have as many people be excited to see your home, as many people excited to write offers on your home. So I would consider painting, even if you just paint a room or two rooms. Now, along with that, you want to, take a walk through your home and you want to say, okay, are there any holes in the walls? Is there going to be any holes in the walls when I remove pictures, when I take stuff down? You want to be thinking about all this stuff beforehand because you would also want to repair any holes, anything that might stand out. The next thing is electrical. Now, with electrical, when you go in to the kitchen, the bathrooms, are the outlets, do they have GCFI protection? If not, I would suggest getting that protection on those outlets because it's going to get called out in an inspection. Along with that, do you have any, missing face plates on any of the switches around the house? Do you have any loose, exposed wires? You want to get that taken care of as well. Another thing that you want to take a look at is the gutters and the downspouts. Are those clogged? Are they missing? What is that situation? You want to go through and make sure that the gutters are clean, that the downspouts, are directed far enough away from the home. So on a rainy day, when somebody comes to take a look at your home, they won't see a big pool of water right by the downspout. So these are some things that you want to take a look at and think about. Another one is the carpet. Is your carpet old? Is it, kind of seen a better day? I would have either, go rent a professional, a steam cleaner and use it yourself or hire somebody to do it so your carpet looks as best that it possibly can. Because I wouldn't run out and get all new carpet because the likelihood that somebody's going to like your taste and color and all that stuff, isn't that great. So you're better off, instead of spending the money, to just try to get the carpet to look as good as possible. Now, another thing is going back to the kitchen and the bathrooms. How are the faucets? Is there any leaks? Is there anything that needs to be taken care of there? you want to address that beforehand as well. Another thing that you're going to want to take care of is any broken or beaten up appliances, because a lot of times when potential buyers come through the home, that's one of the things that's going to really stand out, especially a refrigerator, a stove, microwave, dishwasher, because they're going to really see that when they go into the kitchen. So I'd suggest either getting new or getting slightly used, and updating those appliances if they are beaten up, or especially if they're damaged in any way, because that's going to hurt your opportunities to really maximize the most that you can for your money. The other thing with that is when you're talking to a real estate agent, I would also suggest that you tell them that you really want to have your home staged. You want to have a stager come through, take a look at your home so they can give you ideas. That's something that I do with any of my clients that are interested in it, because I want to make sure that we get as many buyers through that door as possible and get people excited about the home. And just the littlest changes can have a huge impact on getting offers and getting your home sold, for the most amount of money in the quickest amount of time. So if I can be of assistance, please don't hesitate to reach out. This is Scott Carlson with BRIX Real Estate, your local Twin Cities real estate agent. Thank you.